Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Optimism Etherscan alternative for OP transactions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize an Optimism Etherscan alternative for OP transactions, you'll begin by navigating to the official website for the platform. Once you arrive at the website, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to open a list of compatible wallets. Choose the wallet you use for managing your OP tokens, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet. You might need to grant specific permissions for the wallet to access your transaction data. After connecting your wallet, return to the main dashboard of the platform. Locate the section that displays current network options and select Optimism. You should see a list of available features related to OP. If you want to view transaction history, find and click on Transactions in the menu. Here, you will find all your recent OP transactions displayed. To authorize transactions, click on the Authorize button next to the transaction you wish to enable. You may be required to confirm this action within your wallet. Complete any additional prompts that appear on your wallet for final authorization. Once authorized, you should see a confirmation message indicating the transaction status. Keep an eye on the network for updates or changes to transaction processing times. Feel free to repeat these steps for any additional OP transactions you wish to manage through the platform. You are now successfully authorized to view and manage your OP transactions on the Optimism Etherscan alternative. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.